We're at 3602 Chaffin Street, Unit C. This is an end unit. It is newly remodeled. Stepping into the front door here, we have our living room. We do have laminate flooring throughout, nice light fixtures. We do have a formal dining area as well. And then here's the rest of our living area. We'll go back towards the dining area first. We're gonna pass a storage closet, and then we have our kitchen. Lots of good storage cabinets in here. We also have access to our backyard, which also has our laundry room. It is a shared backyard, but it is a quiet street. So here is that. Heading back inside now. We are now facing the front of the unit. You can see our front door there. If we take a turn to the right, we have our 2 bedrooms and bathroom. Directly in front of us is our bathroom. We have a full-size tub shower combo here. Behind our main door, we do have a linen closet as well. Heading back out now. We'll go back towards the front of the unit to our first bedroom. Again, laminate throughout. This is a good sized bedroom. Could be an office or a playroom, reading room, a child's bedroom. Going to our second bedroom now, we're gonna pass our bathroom. This is the larger of the bedrooms. It's on the back side of the unit, and then we do have a nice sized closet as well. Heading back into the living area, again, this is 3602 Chaffin Street, Unit C, offered by Barrons Property Managers, 850-934-2588. You can also view it at barronspm.com.